Hellcat.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the Breakdown Automotive. Today we're going to be talking about some of the things you may not know about the Range Rover L322. Before we jump into this video, I just want to say if you enjoy automotive content, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and then right next to it, hit the notification icon to get notified every time we upload a video to the Breakdown Automotive. Also, if you're interested, go ahead and check out the breakdown.xyz/auto for the full in-depth article about this Range Rover. Nevertheless guys, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. The number one coolest thing about the Range Rover L322 from 2010 to 2012 is valet mode. Now valet mode is something that has been popular in luxury cars for a while, but every one of them does it differently. In the Range Rover though, it's very simple. You hit home, and then you hit valet, you enter your own custom PIN, and then you hit OK. From that point on, it will go ahead and lock both the glove boxes. It will also lock the back hatch so no one can access that. On top of that, it also locks your rear seats from being folded down so nobody can get into the back of your car. Overall, it's a decently useless feature to lock the back seats, but it's also cool that it does lock both of the glove boxes. It will also lock the car from being able to make phone calls and using navigation and any other feature that the car has, even the radio. Once you get back into your car, you enter your PIN, hit OK, and it unlocks everything as it normally would. Another cool tip about the Range Rover is that you can pull up the rear view camera everywhere you are. Most of the time, once you hit 10 miles an hour, the rear view camera will turn itself off automatically and pull back up the last screen you had open. All you have to do is go to the home menu, and once you're there, hold the top middle of the screen for a few seconds, and then hold the top left corner in, and a screen will come up asking you to enter the passcode. For the passcode, you enter 753, hit OK, and then it pulls up a new menu where you hit video info settings, and then you'll be able to pull up the rear view camera. Once you're there, you can have the camera up all the time, and it's great for towing or having anything behind you. It's also great on a night because the camera is so wide angle that you can see what's beside you. One of the coolest things about the Range Rover is the navigation. Now I know for an infotainment system built in 2011, it won't be that good. However, the Range Rover, while it has a hideous navigation system, it actually does have some cool features. One of the coolest features that I have found in the Range Rover is being able to tell the navigation that you're hungry, click on a restaurant, and order your food. Navigation, I'm hungry.
Navigation, restaurant.
From there, you can place your order and you're good to go. Another weird thing about the navigation is it will actually tell you everywhere that you've been. So you can go into your navigation settings and turn on the trace feature, which will trace out a dot of everywhere that you drive your car. If you are off-road though, this is a really cool feature because you can easily get back to where you started. Another cool thing about the Range Rover is actually a feature that most cars have now. In fact, my 2003 Honda Accord had this feature, but it is still something that a lot of people don't know about. In the summer when it's really hot, the original L322 Range Rover had an auxiliary ventilation system that would allow you to cool down the car with the outside air. However, in later models of the L322, this feature was taken out, but you can still use the key to open all of the windows in the sunroof by simply holding down the unlock button. On a really hot day, this is extremely useful because I can sit inside the office, hold the unlock key, and it will open all of the windows and sunroof in order for the car to ventilate. So that's pretty much all of the things you didn't know about the L322 Range Rover, but before we end this video, there's one last pro tip. These little cords that you can plug your phone into are notorious for being extremely poor quality. And considering from Land Rover and Jaguar they cost about $120 still, one of the best things you can do is go onto Amazon and order these cables, and there they are about $16. As far as I can tell, they're the exact same cable and they work exactly the same way. On top of that, you can also order the lightning cable adapter to be able to plug your 30-pin dock connector into the lightning port on your iPhone. So that's it for this video guys. If you enjoyed, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content. And don't forget to turn on the notifications for the channel.